What if I told you that you could hit this 1000 subscribers in just 3 days, or even less than 3 days, without you having to beg for subscribers, or without you going to people's comment section to tell them to subscribe, or you drop a particular flower? Like, this is real and it actually worked for me, and I use this particular pattern to get most of my students their first 1000 subscribers in less than a week. Most of them got it in less than 4 days. So basically, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do this, and for you to be able to get it, you have to watch every step-by-step process, which I'm going to be sharing with you right now, and go ahead and start implementing it. Go ahead and fix it and come back to this video after 4 days time to tell me your feedback, because this is the best and this is the easiest way you can actually get these subscribers faster on your channel. So first thing first I want you to go ahead and do is to go over to your app store. So if you're using an Android, I think it's Play Store, but for iPhone it's App Store. Now once you get to App Store, what I need you to go ahead to download, because we need to download a particular app. Now what you just need to go ahead to download is Insta Saver. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you exactly why we are downloading this app and what you need to use it for. That is why I say you need to stick to the end of this video, because after today you will stop begging for subscribers. Okay, now once you've clicked on this particular thing, what you just need to go ahead to do is to go ahead and download the app. So this is the app. I actually have it on my phone because obviously I told you all that I use this same method to get most of my students their first 1000 subscribers. So obviously it's going to work out for you. Now what you just need to do is to go ahead and download the app. So now what I just need to do is to open the app, since I have the app already on my phone, and this was the last video I downloaded for one of my students like that. So what we need to do now is to head over onto our Instagram. Let me go to my Instagram app. Now this is my Instagram. So what you just need to do is to scroll through videos on the Instagram, and if there is any video you like, it's just for you to copy the link and go back to that Insta Saver and download it. But now for this particular strategy to work out for you, what you need to do is to come over to this search bar. Now once you come to this search bar, you will see a lot of videos, a lot of trending video. You can see wedding video, you can see cooking video, you can see a lot of things, Indian cooking video, Pakistan cooking video. You will see so many videos on Instagram. Now what you just need to do is to copy their link. So for this particular tutorial, what we need to do is, let me go over to this meta search bar and type trending wedding video, trending wedding videos. So let's go ahead to search for it. Now you're going to see a lot of options. So what you just need to do is to choose the one that is at least very viral, a very viral one. You can decide to select either African or maybe Indian. So because of I didn't really put either African or maybe Indian, that is why I'm seeing a lot of options. Now let's even assume that we want to pick a particular video here. Let's go ahead and choose a particular video here for just this tutorial sake. So maybe when you want to do yours, you can actually use maybe Nigeria or maybe Africa or maybe US, anyone at all at all. So let's go ahead and click on this. So now what we need to do is to click on this share sign. Now when you click on this share sign, you will see the option for you to copy link. So let's go ahead and copy this video link. Now obviously we've copied the link, so what we need to do is to go over to that app, that Insta Saver app. Now once we come to this Insta Saver app, what we need to do is to place the link. After pasting the link here, go ahead and click on this particular arrow here, and it's going to bring out this option of fetching new post. So you just have to wait, and this is the video here. So what you just need to do is to go ahead and click on save the video for it to go over to your gallery. It's going to take time depending on the length of the video. Now what you need to do is to click on save video, and you have the video on your gallery. Let me check on my gallery if the video has actually reflected. Yes, this is the video that we just downloaded. This is the video here. You can see that it came out in form of YouTube shorts, because obviously we're going to be going straight to my YouTube app now to post this thing on shorts. Now what we just need to do is go over to YouTube and click on your short option and post it. So I don't want this particular video to be too long. That is why I will not be taking you through on all the process of posting short. What you just need to simply do here is to put make sure you put caption. You can put the best caption ever you could think of, and if you don't know any caption to use, make sure feel free to make use of ChatGPT or even Meta AI. They're going to generate viral captions for you. Okay, now the most important, please do not miss this particular thing. You see this option for add sound. Make sure you make use of YouTube sound. If you don't use YouTube sound, like, this video is going to cause you trouble because YouTube is going to tag it as copyright. Now what you just need to do is to come down here and look out for YouTube sounds. Okay, you can either use this Venus or Joy is Coming or Friendship. Just look for the sounds that have high view. Like, for example, look at this Friendship sound. It has 18 million show. That is 18 million people have used it. Obviously, if you use this kind of sound, the chances of a video going viral is at least 80%. So let's go ahead and click on this Friendship sound. Then go ahead and click on this arrow at the front and make use of the sound. It's as simple as this. Like, this video is really, really beautiful. Guys, if you can be able to do this, you're going to get subscribers like really, really fast. So once you're done with that, after placing your caption, go ahead and click on next. Then if you click on next, I think it's going to take you to the option where you need to put your title and choose a particular thumbnail. Now for your thumbnail, go ahead and click on this pencil and select maybe the best scene, the best parts you like this particular part can be beautiful, or this part, or this part. Wow, this part is really, really beautiful. Now once you've selected your thumbnail, click on this tick mark, and that is all. Go ahead and put your title, put your hashtag. That is why I say make use of ChatGPT or Meta AI. I don't want this video to be too long. That is why we won't be doing all those things. Okay, now once you're done, go ahead and tick all the right option, and that is it. Once you're done with it, either you schedule it or you go ahead to upload it. It's short, feel free to upload it, and also check out for the time you're posting it. Don't just post your shorts anytime. Don't just wake up at midnight and post your YouTube short. No, you need to post it like the way you're posting your long form video. Monitor the timing so that the short can actually perform well. Now once you're done with it, that is the first step. Now the second step is for you to either go to TikTok or maybe go to Facebook and go ahead and copy a particular video link. I believe you all know how to copy a video link. Like, if you go to TikTok, click on that share button, you're going to see the option for you to copy link. If you still go to Facebook, click on that share button, you're still going to see the option for you to copy link. Look for the best performing video. It could be wedding, it could be cooking, it could be dancing. Any well performing video, look for it, then copy the link. Now for TikTok and for Facebook, what you need to do is to come over to Google and type TikTokyodownload.com. Let me head over to my Google here to show you guys what I'm talking about. Now once you come over to your Google here, go ahead to type TikTokyodownload.com. Once you just type TikTokyo, the rest option is going to appear. So go ahead and click on the search. So once you click on the search, guys, you're going to see a lot of ads and the rest of them. So it's going to bring you over to this place. What you just need to do is to paste that particular link that you copied. Now once you paste that particular link, what you need to do is to click on download. Guys, please pay attention. Once you click on download, you're going to see options. It's going to bring options for you. Okay, let me paste that Instagram link we downloaded that time to see if it will work. It can't work. So if you're getting videos from Instagram, you need to get that Insta app saver. But if it is video from TikTok or maybe from Facebook, just come over here and do this simple thing. So when you tap on this download, you're going to see up to like 5 options for you to download without watermark HD. Click on that download without watermark HD so that the video can come out exactly the way you saw it on that app. You know, HD is high definition, so that the video can come out well. So what you just need to do is to click on that particular one and it's going to download. Once it downloads finish, find a way to save it to your gallery. You will still see the option. So maybe if this particular part that I just explained now is not clear to you, you can drop it in the comment section and maybe I'll be doing a separate video on it. So guys, once you're done getting that video down in your gallery, still same process. Head over to your YouTube app and make use of that video. It's as simple and as easy as that. So guys, once you're able to do this particular thing back to back, there is no how. Like when I mean there is no how, you're going to get tons of subscribers from one particular video. Do you know that you can even get over 2,000 subscribers? So that is why I tell you, for this particular strategy, you need to do it like not just once. You can do it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before you even get to the 10th video, you will get these thousands of subscribers. Okay, now once you're done with that, another strategy, or let me say another way you can actually do this particular thing for it to work out for you is, now let me head over to my screen record so that I can be able to show you guys what I'm trying to say. Another method is for you to go over to your YouTube main app. Now go over and click on this short side. So when you click on this short side, you will see a lot of videos here. You will see videos. Just keep scrolling and you'll be seeing videos. You'll be seeing videos. You'll be seeing videos. Now what I need you to pay attention to is look for any video that have high views or high likes. Yes, high like. Let's still be scrolling till we see a particular video that have high like. All right, this particular video here have high likes, like as you can see from the screen here. Now what you need to do, if it's maybe a sound video, what you just need to do is to click on this particular option down here. So when you click on this option down here, you will see this option which says use this sound. But before you go ahead to click on this use this sound, try to check out if other videos that use this sound is actually performing well. But if you check and they're not performing well, no need of you stressing yourself to use it. Go back and look for another trending or viral sound. So what you just need to do is go ahead and click on this use this sound. Now when you click on this use this sound, it's going to bring you here, and all you just need to do is to click on this option here. So when you click on this option here, it will bring you over to your gallery. Now for that particular video that we downloaded from Instagram, what we just need to do is to click on that particular video. So when you click on it, you click on done. So after clicking on done, it will still bring you here. What you just need to do is to tick this place, tick it, and this is it. We have this beautiful video here. Now there will not be any need of you going ahead to select a particular sound or whatsoever. Okay guys, from that last video that I explained, I failed to explain something to you guys. That is why I say you need to watch every part of this video so that you won't make mistake. Now when you bring that video here, please and please, what you need to do is click on this volume button. That's the sound the main video have, the sound the main video you got from Instagram have. Please try to silence it, guys. Please try to silence the sound. Now let the main YouTube sound be the only one that people will be hearing. Okay, so once you're done achieving that, what you need to do is to click on this X to go back, and it will bring you here. Like as I explained to you all earlier on, give it the best caption you can. Yes, the best caption. So once you're done with that, click on next, and it will take you to this place where you need to fill your title, fill your trending hashtags, and also fill the rest setting. So once you're done with that, go ahead and hit this upload button. That is all you need to do, guys. There's no how you do this particular thing that I just shared for you. There's no how you will do it for straight 1 week or 2 weeks and you will not get over 2k subscribers. Now it's not just all about going to get the video. The sound you're using for the video matters, the kind of hashtag you're using matters, and the timing you're posting it. So if you're able to do this thing, like, hey, you're going to come back and share good results, because I use this particular strategy for most of my students and they got their subscribers really fast, especially those of us that have gotten our watch hour but need that subs to monetize our channel. Just do this thing and go ahead and get rid of the video if you're done. It's as simple as this, and you're going to really go viral. So guys, this video is strictly for those people who are in need of subscribers really fast, and if you're able to do it this way, hey, you're going to really get tons of subscribers. I believe you find this video helpful, so please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you've not liked it, and also drop me your comments if maybe you've tried it before and it's not working. Maybe I could actually give you another approach or maybe another video idea for you to try out, for you to also get the same result. Okay, so guys, this video is getting too long than I had expected it to be. Alright guys, so we have to end it here. Bye bye, and I'll see you all in my next video.